Building strong and positive relationships is essential for personal and professional growth. Whether it's with family, friends, colleagues, or romantic partners, strong relationships require effort, commitment, and effective communication. By practicing strategies such as trust, empathy, and forgiveness, you can cultivate healthy and fulfilling relationships that enhance your well-being and happiness. Here are 13 strategies for building strong and positive relationships. Number 1. Communication. Open and honest communication is key to building strong relationships. Make an effort to listen actively, express yourself clearly, and be respectful and empathetic towards others. Number 2. Trust. Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Be reliable, keep your promises, and be honest and transparent in your actions and intentions. Number 3. Respect. Show respect towards others by valuing their opinions and beliefs, being considerate of their feelings, and treating them with kindness and compassion. Number 4. Empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and try to understand their perspective. This can help you communicate better, resolve conflicts, and build stronger connections. Number 5. Compromise. Be willing to compromise and find common ground with others. This can help you build stronger relationships and resolve conflicts in a positive way. Number 6. Time and effort. Building strong relationships takes time and effort. Make time for the people you care about, be present and engaged, and invest in the relationship. Number 7. Forgiveness. Nobody is perfect, and conflicts are bound to happen in any relationship. Practice forgiveness and let go of grudges to maintain positive relationships. Number 8. Appreciation. Show appreciation for the people in your life. Let them know that you value and care about them, and express gratitude for the positive things they bring into your life. Number 9. Shared experiences. Create shared experiences with others. Doing things together, whether it's a hobby, a trip, or just spending time together, can help strengthen bonds and build positive memories. Number 10. Boundaries. Establish clear boundaries in your relationships. This can help prevent misunderstandings, protect your own needs and values, and promote healthy communication. Number 11. Active listening. Practice active listening by giving others your full attention, acknowledging their feelings, and reflecting back what you've heard. This can help build trust and strengthen connections. Number 12. Positive attitude. Approach your relationships with a positive attitude. Focus on the good things in the relationship, and avoid negativity or criticism. This can help foster a positive and supportive environment. Number 13. Flexibility. Be flexible and adaptable in your relationships. Be open to change and willing to adjust your expectations or behavior to meet the needs of others. This can help prevent conflicts and promote harmony. Remember, building strong and positive relationships takes time, effort, and commitment. But the benefits of healthy relationships, such as increased happiness, better mental health, and a stronger support system, are well worth the effort. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.